4 p.m. Nike clearance store. There's a huge line. Do they have a huge drop? What the hell is going on? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Orlando. We're doing a marathon. There's a huge line here. I have no clue why. Let's go find out. All right, I guess this is one of the smaller outlets. Dang, I can't believe. Yeah, there's nothing up front. There's nothing up front. Oh my goodness, this is insane. All right, looks like 10 and a half is right here. Let's look around. See, out in LA, I haven't seen any shops that do this. The purple SB boxes, the turquoise SB boxes separate. The orange traditional ones right there. Nike by You sneakers up top. All the recycle one right there. All the black boxes. Like, I've never seen a place in LA where they do that. Any of the Nike by You? No, I don't even know what that is. Indoor turf shoes. Those are kind of whatever. Some Nike by You pennies for 100 bucks. And then do got some Nike by You Infinity Run. We have Flyknits. This actually ain't bad with the chrome. The chrome's a little too much for me, but not too shabby. $60, that is a hell of a deal, size 10. Do got one of these blue boxes, or actually a couple. But yeah, not digging that colorway. 60 bucks for those. Bunch of the iShod wears, all going for 50 bucks. Black colorway, orange, blue, white right here. And then what's this? GT, the Grant Taylors. Do got a pair of these bad boys. These are pretty clean. Lobster-esque. What's the price for these bad boys? Going for $40. And there's another iShod right there. Do got some decent pairs. Oh, look at this Zoom Generation. This is the suede nubuck gray version. Pretty fire, premium materials. That is the LeBron 1. Got some pennies right here. These are all in the size 10. Those are $80. And then do got these Air More Up Tempos, $80 for these bad boys. Freaking Frank came up in the video y'all saw earlier this week. Grabbed his for $40. That was insane. 10 and a half. I'm seeing if they mispriced any of these. Nah. Bo Jackson trainers, 10 and a half, $70. GT Run TBs, going for 80. Grant Taylor with the dope colorway, $40 for those. These are blazers too. Remember, these are blazer low Grant Taylors. Size 11. Jordan 6 Golf right there. White infrareds. Buck 50. Do got these. They've been everywhere. $80. More up tempos. $80. That seems to be the standard rate at the clearance store. Big feet game. We got size 12 right here. 12 and a half. 13 right there. Look at this in the size 12. Even got all the Prestos together. $60. All the different colorways all together. $60 for those. Got the gray with the green. $70 for that one. 11 and a half. Vaporfly Next Percent. 100 bucks for those bad boys. Back to 12s. $50 for the blazer lows. It's just Air Force. Oh, okay. The Air Force mid going for 70. Size 13. Big fan of you. Whoever the worker is that left the box top on. The white cement. Jordan 37. $80. These are all in the size 13. Del Dons right here. This should be an 11 and a half because that's a 13 women's. Pretty fire colorway right there. $50. Another one of these bass boys. The Adjust Force. Okay, these are down to 170 because those came out. Holy cow. SB Blazers down to 40. The size 14 SB Blazers right here. $40. Number of shoes just drastically going down. $70 for the big feet gang. Wheat colorway. I don't think I've seen this wheat color. This is pretty fire. The iShod wears. Those bad boys. What these one go for? $50. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's down to 70. Size 15 Vaporflies. There aren't too many size 15s running like that, is there? 100 bucks for those. Air Max 97, 70 bucks. That's a solid deal. Then boots. Any of y'all need boots out here? $80 for those. And these Air Forces, we've seen these Air Forces a million times, right? 70 bucks for those. Haven't shown what I am wearing. I'm wearing some Pegasus 34s, University Blue, black colorway. These are pretty comfy, Not the most comfy, but I didn't have room to carry a bunch more sneakers. This is one of the Lunarlon years. They switched to React, I think after the 30, on the 37s, they did switch. 35, 36 also use Lunarlons. And it is insane hot, so I am wearing Laker shorts and a tank top. It is hot, man. All right, I'm looking for some size 8.5 running shoes for a kiddo that I'm trying to help out. $80 for the Infinity Run Flyknits. He really likes that Zoom X on the Invincible Run Flyknits. Pegasus 37 going for $60. Lakers colorway. This is one that I was gonna bring with me. $80. I grabbed mine for, I don't know, I want to say I grabbed it for like $32 or something like that. No Zoom X shoes. I was hoping to find some Invincible Run Flyknits for cheap, but haven't seen them. Do got some Air Max 90 Golf right here, down to 60 bucks. Pretty dope colorway, infrared colorway. Size 8, what's this? Fire colorway right here. Puig, Heritage Volts. Pretty fire colorway right there. You got a ton of gum on it, $35. Size 8. Pretty decent colorway of the iShod wears right there. Those are 50 Air Forces right there. 110. They're showing these off because it's a heat wall? I don't know. I don't really see much heat here. Vapor Max going for 100 bucks. We've seen a bunch of these Vaporflies for 100 in the aisles. I don't know, nothing really impressive here. Let's check out the apparel section. The clearance store is always the best place for apparel. I get a ton of stuff here. Pretty sure Frank gets a ton of stuff here if you look at his videos. All right, let's look around. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I did it. I did it. I have these at home actually, but mine are trashed. These are the Hydro 3 white cements. Size 11, my size, and I have a box and everything. I just destroyed the actual shoes. Look at that, 25 bucks, $25. These retail for what, $65 or something, $60? Yeah, man, 25 bucks, I'll definitely do it. This can fit in all my stuff as well. And I'm gonna keep this clean as hell because I got a destroyed pair at home. Holy cow. Okay. All right, I did talk to the worker. I was like, what the hell's up with the line out there? She said the AC's down, so they have like a temporary unit, and they're trying to make sure it doesn't get crazy hot in here, because if they have too many people, it'll get crazy hot. So I ain't mad at them, man. I ain't mad at them. It's just nice and cool, and it is pleasant. And I found these. Forget y'all. I found these. I'm so happy. Is it me or is this a rash guard? This looks like a freaking rash guard. Jordan Golf though. Looks like a rash guard. $30. Probably normally like 60. I have no clue what this is. What is this? It looks like some sort of jersey. FC. Is it just Nike FC? Like Nike football? Meaning their soccer. $25 for those. Is this Tech Fleece? Usually that type of stuff's on their Tech Fleece. I don't know. This is nice quality stuff. $50 normally 100. That is a small though. They got a few. This recycled material hoodie. This is a large, going for 40. Nike Air Force 1 Anniversary Edition shirts. We've seen this in LA. These are large, it's pretty dope. 20 bucks. If you're an Air Force fan, those are pretty fire. We've seen those in various colorways as well. Pretty clean. This is weird. Old school tape. Cassette tape that's on fire. 15 bucks. Maybe for the old school blinging dudes, I don't know. These are all double XL. LeBron hoodie, double XL, 100 down to $30. Jordan engineered, 23 engineered one, 60 bucks. This is the one that we saw really, really thick. What's Frank said this was a certain number of ounces. I forgot, 38 ounces, I don't know. 30 bucks for those. Jordan sweatpants. It seems like they have all the winter stuff on sale. Like they have a ton of it out here as well as out in LA. It's like, dude, like the places where you don't really need them. $30 for these sweats. Does have a little Nike or Jumpman emblem on top. Basketball that's deflated or something on this hoodie. 90 down to 30. That's not an emblem, that's a logo. my bad. It's like hard, like getting everything right, like just talking out the blue. Like it's not the easiest thing to do, guys. $30 for these. This is actually really nice. If they have your school, if you're a volunteer, you know, $30. That's actually really, really nice. Pretty decent quality. You can see it right here. Pretty nice. Oh, and they do have, look, I just saw it on top right there. Forgot to look the other side. Look, they do have them here. $30 at the clearance store out here. This is fire. All size 11s though, man. Come on now, man. Y'all can't have a size 12 or 13 for big feet gang, smaller ones for smaller feet gang. What's up with that? And how much are the Hydro 6s going for? I don't really see, like I don't really want to touch it because look, that thing's about to fall off. I don't see any price tags on any of those though. Checking the size 10 in the women's. Remember, I'm looking for size 8.5 in men's, which is a size 10. We'll look around right here real quick. Looking for some running shoes, but I'm hearing some heat in just the regular stuff. 9.5. This is a size 9.5. Some Air Max 90s I've never seen. Got a ton of suede on it, looking nice for $80. Air Max 97's going for $80. Triple white, but no, it's not a white. It's a light bone, yeah, and it's like super soft leather. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe too soft. See Pegasus turbos right here next to Nature. Sometimes these are hella cheap because they're extended size. No, not here. $70, too much. Oh, one of the same thing, different colors, $70. Traditional running shoes in that size, $80 for the Infinity Rough Line of 3s. Did I say those are the 3s? Those are the 2s. These are both Pegasus 39s, going for $60. Checking more of the common sizes in the women's section, size 7.5. Air Max 97s right here. Never seen this colorway. $80 for those. Air More Up Tempos. Is this a youth? I've never seen this colorway in the women's. $80 for these. Am I seeing more heat in the women's and the men's? Got pennies right here. Penny 2s down to $80. Black and white Air Max 97s down to $80. Size 8, we're seeing the Air Max 97s. We're also seeing the Air More Up Tempos. We see got some Prestos right there going for $70. Not bad in the women's, not bad. Speaking of not bad, grabbing these bad boys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. So there's a really crazy line here. And then on top of that, so we're at this clearance store, and then right across the street, there's an outlet mall, and then there's a Nike outlet right across the street too. Like, stuff's just crazy here in Florida, man. That's just insane. It's a little after 4 in the afternoon. It's just packed in there. It reached capacity, so there's just a huge line. What the hell? I've never seen this before. This is insane. Waited about 15 minutes so far, I think. Next after next, I should be able to go in right here. Lately, been having a love-hate relationship with the Nike clearance stores everywhere, because you know most of them are changing the prices scheme. Not everybody yet. I think Arizona and stuff, a few states they haven't. But yeah, still finding deals here and there. So you know, it is worth it here and there. You know, the camping situation and stuff definitely not present out in LA. It looks like it's still present here. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead. Make sure you guys check out all these other videos. I got tons and tons of videos. Man, been checking out so many different Nike outlets. Been doing it for years now. Got 1,500 videos on my channel. Go check out some other videos, man. Click on that, man. Go. Do it already.